Hi, welcome to Recreational Power Sports. It's Andreas here again. We just love seats. I mean, what's not to like? Comfy, cozy, spend all day with them, spend all day in them. Awesome. So right here we have the Tempest line of Pro Back seats. They call it a Pro Back because they take basically an imprint of your back and it fits your back like a glove. Your entire back fits this whole entire seat area here. And they take a thermal imaging of your back once you sit there for 10 minutes and it shows your back touches the entire area of this. So instead of just touching in two spots of your back, this touches your entire back to hold you like a glove. The Pro Back system is new from Tempest, probably the last 4 years now if you consider that new, but no one else has really tried to copy it or go after it very well. It's a very great form-fitting seat, so I'm trying to say lots of different colors. Even comes with a boat cover. Awesome boat cover if you keep your boat out all the time. The Tempest boat cover is great. It probably fits a lot more than just the Tempest seat. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. We also do some of the deluxe bolster seats from Springfield. They're at a really good clear out price right now. They're a bolster seat. They flip up and flip down. In the rest of our lineup here, we kind of bring the world to you. We bring the best of the best. We have the deluxe Pro Back seats from Tempest for jet boating. We also have their elite seat. That was the beginning of all this. It was a great seat here also for a price point. Very good in the jet boat community. The next seat up here, we also do the Springfield seat, which is great seat. Nice and wide, nice and roomy, fits really nice. They all fold down. I'll show you that in a minute. We also have the Lund seat from Wise. It's got the nice 250-pound hinge. The hinge is really the secret to a lot of the seats for adults. This seat has a shorter base though, a shorter seating area, hence it's a little bit cheaper in price. So your price, I got raining tags here on me. Wow, it's fantastic here. Also, we do the Tempest line of all-weather seats. The reason why I like this seat so much is that Tempest does one thing no one else does. They have a very inexpensive seat rotating system and mounting system. So if you have a fishing boat with the wooden benches in it, this seat system here, 3 different colors, is excellent for you. I'll demonstrate it right here on the seat right here. If you, on the back of the seat, just hit the little flap that they have a little mounting kit, it comes undone. So the seat has a separate hardware kit for you to mount underneath the seat. You screw this down on your wooden benches inside your fishing boat anywhere you want. It's quiet, it doesn't clang, squeak, or rust. It slides on. And awesome. Swivels, great seat to have. Great mounting system, half the price of the Wise one that we have that's made of metal. So we also have the Millennium seat, which is a great seat. What I like about this seat is it's really kind of the underdog. It's not cushiony by any means, but it fits great, feels great. Great high back on the back for tall people. Nice and wide and roomy. Metal frame construction. Great quality at a great price. Moving on, we already talked about these seats already. The bolster, we talked about that. And then we have the Wise Big. Now, when you talk to me about an articulating seat with articulating armrests, well, Wise comes in. New this year is their big seat here, articulating backrest also. Has a big price tag. However, it's the most inexpensive seat like this on the market. We have a few of them here at Recreational Power Sports. Again, we also sell what's called the Smooth Moves and the Shockwave suspension seating system. So someone has this really turned up as a joke on me because I don't weigh enough, so I understand I got to eat more. There you go. This one has an accordion style system that you use the bottom dial to make it shorter or taller. You use the top knob here to set your tension as far as weight goes, as you just saw me lighten it up a bit. And great little suspension system. It dampens yourself on the way down, but it doesn't dampen the up. Now, the Shockwave, it does. The Shockwave actually dampens up and down as far as suspension goes. We've added the Springfield seat slide and swivel to this suspension system. Pardon me, backtrack. The Smooth Moves has that. The Smooth Moves for fresh, well, I usually call it fresh water, has a seat slide forward and back, and it has the Garlic base. You flick the little beaver lever down here, the little beaver lever, and that allows you to pivot the seat. When you flick the lever down, it locks the seat in position, and now it's locked. With the Shockwave, we've added a seat slide, as you see right here, and we've added a pivot to it as well, which is right here. So we've added this little puppy to this to make it more versatile and usable. Again, it's Andreas at Recreational Power Sports. Thanks for watching. Call me for any of your seating needs. Thanks for watching.